Did you know that one desperate prayer on a battlefield changed the entire course of European history? In 496, Clovis I, king of the Franks, was losing badly against the Alemanni tribe. His army was falling apart, and defeat seemed certain. But Clovis had a secret weapon, his wife Clotilde, who had been begging him to become a Christian for years. As his warriors fell around him, Clovis made a desperate deal with the Christian god. If he won this impossible battle, he would convert to Christianity immediately. What happened next shocked everyone. His army suddenly turned the tide and crushed their enemies completely. True to his word, Clovis marched straight to Reims Cathedral for baptism. But here's the amazing part. 3,000 of his toughest warriors followed him into the water. In one ceremony, an entire pagan kingdom became Christian. This single conversion didn't just save one battle. It united all the Frankish tribes under one faith, earned the support of the powerful Roman Church, and set the foundation for medieval Christian Europe. One prayer changed everything.